Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy BNB Coin. The first thing, you need to download Trust Wallet. Go to App Store and search for Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. When you download, open it, and in the bottom, in the middle, hit the DAX and choose the BNB and click it, and you buy with the Ethereum. How you get the Ethereum? You need to download the app. It's named Binance. Download from App Store. It is in the top, and you need to switch to light version. And you see in the under the Bitcoin you have Ethereum, and you buy the Ethereum and transfer it to the Trust Wallet, and here and you can buy the BNB coin. And this video for today. Thanks, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.